going, George? It's over, Yates.
Nice work.
Thank you. Who are you?
Where's Nancy?
Once you started, you keep going. You keep going, you don't stop for anything.
Tried to kill a friend of mine.
Wait.
What happened to the other guy?
He's not a very good skier. He kept falling. You all right?
I owe you my life. I've also ruined your chances in the tournament.
There's still a chance.
Well, it's too late. They will not wait at the cabin. The timing was the split second. There will be another time.
Now that you can do it, well, let's make a chain now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. Chug a motion like a railroad train now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. Do it nice and easy now, don't lose control. A little bit of rhythm and a lot of soul. So come on, do the locomotion with me. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. So come on, do the locomotion with me.
feel to be the champion?
Well, to tell you the truth, it feels natural, completely natural.
Never change, do you, Paul?
I hope not.
Well, thank you. You know, I can't get over what was happening on this train, right under my nose. How did it feel to be carrying around a nickel worth $250,000?
It would have felt scary if I'd known. But none of us knew, did we?
None of us.
How do you fit into all this?
Well, I worked for the government. I was after Bartelli. Bartelli was a mercenary, a freeloader. He made his fortune off of war, anybody's war. In Nam, he, Cantor, Yates, and some guy by the name of Alexis amassed over $300,000.
But Bertelli made off with all the money.
Right. He found out that we were on to him. So he converted the cash that he had left over into one small coin, a 1913 nickel. They minted only 5 of them.
I saw you talking to Cantor and Yates.
Well, they didn't know I was a government agent. They thought I was a freelance bounty hunter after the money. See, we were all in the dark as to how Bartelli converted the cash. Then, at the last moment, Cantor found out from his contact in Budapest. You were the only one that was on to me.
Don't let it bother you. I'm a part-time investigator, remember?
Has anyone here seen Hans Mockton? Is he missing? I was sure he boarded the train, but I can't seem to find him anywhere. He's my responsibility, you know.
Well, he probably, missed the train.